Now welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Jay Bautista from MetroGuide Realty, and before we begin for quality home tours, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us here on YouTube. Now, welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here near Commonwealth Avenue, Quezon City. So right now, we're gonna tour you through this beautiful home with a large garden space. But before we do that, let's take a quick look at this property's features. Beginning with the property size, it has a floor area of 370 square meters across 2 levels and a lot area of approximately 340 square meters. For the specific home features, it has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a carport for 4 vehicles, 2 balconies, a powder room, an open dining and main kitchen, a garden space with a pool provision, a spacious master walk-in closet, a service and laundry area, a maid's room and a driver's room. And all of this in a secure community with fast access to Commonwealth Avenue. Now let's begin the tour. The house has a really striking design with wooden, charcoal, and white tones mixing really well together. Now let's go. Upon entering the gate, you have a walkway leading to your main entrance and a spacious carport area for 4 vehicles. Your carport area has a high ceiling with a wooden design, giving it a very natural feel. You also even have painted bamboo on this side, so it allows the air to come in but gives you additional privacy. You have an access door here leading to an auxiliary kitchen space, and you have another access door here leading to your living area. But now let's head on over to your main entrance. This door is made of solid narrow wood, and it's a beautiful entrance for your house. Now welcome to your beautiful home. Upon entering the house, let's take a look at your first room here. The first room can serve as a den space, a guest room, a home office. It's well lit because it's a corner room. So you have this large window, and you can actually use this as a playroom or nursery room as well. And now, it also has its own bathroom. The accents here in the ceiling give it a very elegant feel upon entering the house, and it really shows you how high the clearance is for this level. On top of that, you have a high ceiling for your main living space and a beautiful staircase with tempered glass. But from this area, you also have a nice foyer space which you can also use as storage. You can have a shoe rack here, a storage area for umbrellas, or even make it a sanitation station. And from here, you have your powder room. From this perspective, you can really appreciate the size and height of your living space. It's about 20 feet from this level all the way to the ceiling, and you also have a fantastic vantage point of your staircase heading up. In addition, you can imagine having your living room set over here and having your large television set on this side. And at the same time, your living space flows very naturally to your open dining area. Your dining space has this beautiful modern light fixture which you can place right over your dining table. You can probably fit a table here for 6 people very comfortably. And from here, you see that you have fast access to a well-designed main kitchen. Your main kitchen is excellent for showcasing your cooking skills, and it's a great spot also for parties, get-togethers, and informal gatherings with your loved ones. You can have a couple of stools over here, and you can imagine having a great breakfast here. You already have, once again, the modern light fixture that's aligned with what you have in the dining area. You have an Elba branded Rangehood. You already have a cooktop. Another great feature is you also have acrylic in terms of the finish of your cabinetry here. So it has a very elegant feel to it. And you also already have your tandem drawers here. So lots of pantry space here. From your open kitchen, you now have access here leading to your auxiliary service area. This service area can serve as an additional outdoor cooking space if you have very heavy cooking. And then you also have a laundry space already here. That's why you already have drainage. You have access here towards your carport area. And here you have access towards your garden space. You have 3 doors over here, which are your maid's quarters, driver's quarters, and a bathroom. Now let's head back in. From your service area, I'd like you to notice this really nice pantry space. You have these alternating open shelves, and then you have these push to open shelves. So it looks very clean with no handles. From here, you have access through these sliding doors towards one of the nicest features of the property, which is a spacious garden area. For this property, there's no landscaping yet for this part because the arrangement is after you give a down payment for the property, that's when they do the landscaping for all around the house up to the front of the house. But we're here because we want to show you and to allow you to appreciate the size of the space. Because as I walk around here, we can clearly see that this is at least 40 square meters in terms of the size. So you can easily have a large gazebo on this side with plenty of room left over to have a pool on this side of the property. So that can easily be arranged if you'd like. And now let's head back in. And now after exploring the garden area, let's now head on over to the second level where we have 4 rooms. So we just have to take off our shoes because that's the rule to make sure that the second level is maintained well. Let's go. This is a great view from the second level of your living space and dining area. And now as we head on up, let's take a look at your master bedroom. Let's go. Your second level has a high ceiling, but it also has a cove lighting, giving it a more elegant feel, and you have a large window with a sliding door towards a spacious balcony overlooking your garden area. And this is facing the east side, so you have the morning sun coming in from here towards your master bedroom. So you can really see the size from here. And you can see the space looking down. From here you have your master walk-in space. And it has open cabinetry so that you can easily access your clothes. And from here you have your master bathroom. So it has a dual vanity sink area and a tempered glass enclosure space. Let's head on over to the next room. So from here, let's take a look at your third bedroom. Your third bedroom is situated in the middle of the property. So it doesn't get too hot or cold here because you have the morning sun on the master bedroom side and then you have the afternoon sun in the front of the house. You also have built-in cabinetry here and a solo bathroom. And now let's go down the hall towards the fourth room. So the nice thing about the design of this property is after you come out of the bedrooms, you have this large open space giving you a lot of ventilation and a great view of your first level. Over here, you also have additional storage space, so you can use this as linen storage. And let's take a look here at your fourth bedroom. This is a nice room because it's a corner room. It has the afternoon sun coming in from here. So it's very warm and bright. You also have the design of the room allowing for you to build in the cabinets without it sticking out from the wall. See, you can see from the wall, it goes down over there so that you can place the cabinets here. And here you have a bathroom also. Just to add, every room already has a provision for split type air conditioning. So it's up to you if you want to do window type or split type. Both can be accommodated. And here we have your fifth bedroom. The fifth bedroom is unique because it has its own balcony facing the front of the house. So this is excellent for someone who wants to have a little more air and ventilation. So you can open up this part and then step out to the front of the house. And here you have another bathroom. So one of the nice features for this property is there are no shared bathrooms for the different rooms. Every room has its own bathroom, and you have a powder room as well. We hope you enjoyed this quick property tour video of this brand new 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here near Commonwealth Avenue, Quezon City. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us to our email and number shown there. If you want to be notified of our future videos, just click that like button and that subscribe button. You can also send us a message and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family. Here's one more look at this well-constructed and functional brand new house and lot for sale near Commonwealth Avenue, Quezon City.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.